and I know my destination. I got a stick in hand, a drum in the back, but please don't estimate them. Man, this getting so damn heavy in the back, gotta pick it with an excavator. That damn money going way to the top floor, going up on the escalator. Shawty popping shoes in the back room, she gon' need her respirator. I would kick you out of my house right now, I call it a detonator. I been fast, been crashing up show.